Welcome to Learn with Lili. Today we are starting with your Climb with Cornerstone, Grammar and Composition Skills, Chapter 5, Class 4. The name of the chapter is Negative Sentences. Rewind. Write 3 sentences about the things that you are not allowed to do at school. For example, we are not allowed to eat in our classroom. We are not allowed to push each other. We are not allowed to bring toys at school. And we are not allowed to break school rules. Now, write 3 more sentences on what your parents or elders tell you not to do. For example, I should not tell lies. Do not eat before washing your hands. Do not make fun of someone's appearance. And do not drink sugary drinks. We observe that the word not is common in these sentences. Sentences that have not or no in them are called negative sentences. Statements that are not negative are called positive sentences. The table here shows the difference between positive and negative sentences. Positive sentences: I am happy. Negative: I am not happy. You are happy. You are not happy. He is my uncle. He is not my uncle. Rahul is at home. Rahul is not at home today. She was at home yesterday. She was not at home yesterday. We were at home yesterday. We were not at home yesterday. Notice that we add the word not after the verbs am, is, are, was, and were to change the positive sentences into negative ones. Am not, are not, is not, was not, were not. Practice time. Change these positive sentences into their negative forms. Miss Sunanda is not our teacher. Today and tomorrow are not holidays. They were not late for the assembly. Our coach was not given the award. I am not afraid of the dark. So as you can see, after is, are, where, was, am I, we can add not to make it negative. Now learn. Now study this table carefully. Observe the differences between the positive and the negative sentences. The positive sentences: our class is going on a picnic. Our class is not going on a picnic. We were going to the fair. We were not going to the fair. He was talking to his father. He was not talking to his father. Harish has returned from town. Harish has not returned from town. The examination will start today. The examination will not start today. The acrobat can do many tricks. The acrobat cannot do many tricks. Pay attention to the spelling of cannot. Cannot is always written as one word. Notice that when the word is made up of 2 parts, we place not between the 2 parts, as in is going will become is not going. Now practice time. Change these negative sentences into their positive form. Manik was studying for the test. He will listen to the teacher. We are playing in the rain. The farmer was sowing the seeds in his field. The birds were singing loudly. You should obey your elders. So as I told, cannot is always written as one word. Now learn. To get the negative form of imperative sentences, we add do not before the sentence. Look at the following examples. The positive sentences come here. When we want to make it negative, we will say, do not come here. Play in the rain. Do not play in the rain. Sometimes we can also make negative sentences using no. Here are some examples. I had a pet cat. I had no pet cat. Gayatri has a message for you. Gayatri has no message for you. I have some friends. I have no friends. For sentences that have the verb has, have, or had plus a or an or some, we drop the a, an, or some and add no after the verb to make them negative. Now look here. We have here had, a. When we want to make it negative, we will drop the a and we will add no. Has a, has no. Have some, here we will drop the some. Have no. So, we can also use don't, which is the short form of do not. For example, don't come here. Here, do not come here, or don't come here. And a small recap is here that negative sentences have the words no or not in them, and sentences that are not negative are known as positive sentences. So if you enjoyed my video, please do like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.